Hello friends, welcome back to Momentum Stocks. In today's video, we are going to discuss about one stock for buy and one stock for sell for tomorrow's trading session. That would be on 6th of October, which is also an expiry, friends. Okay, so before we proceed, the stock that was given in previous video was Bharti Airtel for a buy at this levels here. Immediately this was our target was achieved. It was a very good gap up. Anyone who picked it up at this levels, at the gap itself, or even at this levels where it gave a very good entry, reached the target. Now if you look at it, this is an important trend line, friends. As soon as this trend line is broken and retested, it can make a new high. Okay, coming to our sell stock, which was Bajaj Auto. What happened in Bajaj Auto? A gap up, did not get a proper entry. Where we actually got entry was at this double top, friends. Okay, so if someone entered at this entry, or this is the retracement where one could have entered, he made a kind of a small profit. But then net I would say we did not get a proper entry. Ideal entry for this particular stock was below this particular levels, which we did not even achieve, friends. Anyways, if you are liking the channel, do subscribe or also hit that bell icon so that you don't miss out on any update that I am giving on the channel, friends. And now coming to the video, let me tell you, this would be the new format where I'll be giving my view as to whether we are bearish, bullish on any particular stock. These are Nifty 50 stocks. Please make a note of it. Make a note of the price which is given beside the stock immediately, and the general technical view, which is either very bullish, neutral, or bearish, or very bearish, friends. Okay, the intention of keeping that here is so that you can get an idea of how your stocks are performing, just in case you are holding any of these stocks, friends. So coming to the video part, Nifty, friends, Nifty gave a proper gap up as we expected, and it sustained that gap. Towards the end, it went ahead and gave a closing which is above the previous high, or the closing was at the day high is what we can call it, friends. However, in case of Bank Nifty, things were little different. Made this top followed by a kind of double bottom, but it gave a closing below the day high. Okay, did not give it at the day high. So if we look at both of them together, Nifty is comparatively strong when compared to Bank Nifty at the given level. Okay, so how do we create positions? We'll create positions in Bank Nifty for sell, and that would be at this particular trend line break, friends. Let me show you the trend line. Once this trend line is broken, that is when we can create sell positions. Now see, friends, this was a big rally that happened on Friday, around 1100 points. Okay, followed by an inside candle the next day, that is Monday. Okay, it fell down, and then again a big gap up followed by a sustainment of levels, which very well means that Bank Nifty is able to sustain these levels now. Okay, so when we are creating a sell position, we would not go ahead and expect these targets. Okay, we can expect targets which are close to this number, friends. Okay, this will act like an important support now. Okay, what would be the area? It will be the area like this. I'll draw the area for you. This will act like an important support for Bank Nifty. So when you are creating sell positions, make sure that you book your profits at these levels. What are the levels? 39,000 levels is what we are talking about, friends. Okay, coming to Nifty. Nifty, if you see, it has closed at the top. So now this trend line is broken, so it has to go further up now. What are the next levels of resistances? See, we immediately see a gap. So this itself can act like a resistance and it can fall, friends. However, if it sustains this area, then we'll create positions for the gap filling levels, which is around 17,375. Just to give you a brief update, global markets are currently kind of zero to a little positive. Just 2 minutes back when I saw before recording, it was 0, friends. Now it is a little positive. So we can say we can see a sideways opening on both Nifty and Bank Nifty, and plan accordingly, friends. We have to see some kind of price action before we will actually take trades tomorrow, friends. It's not a clear picture that we can give that it is going to straight go up. However, we are bearish. We are bullish on both Nifty and Bank Nifty. For Nifty, we are little bearish for it to give a dip. That is where we can clearly create a buy position for a higher highs, friends. If you look at it, Nifty has its gap somewhere at this levels, 500 levels, but Bank Nifty has gaps at this levels, which is 39,540 levels. However, Nifty has the gap immediately at the current levels. Okay, just keep that in mind. So when you are creating buy positions, you can go ahead and wait till this gap when it comes to Bank Nifty. And for Nifty, this gap is already filled. So if you get it somewhere below this level, somewhere here, you can go ahead and create buy positions for the top first, because this gap will not be filled immediately. It will create some kind of swing, some kind of price action, and then finally start going upwards, friends. Same is the case with Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty has got room till 39,500 ish. Till here it can easily go. After that is what it will create some kind of price action, and then it will continue to go up, friends. Okay, coming to our buy stock for today, that would be Apollo Hospitals, friends. Why? Because we clearly see a breakout followed by a retest. Okay, this is a very simple and cute little setup that I usually give, where we see a breakout followed by a retest. Okay, so at the retest, if you are buying, our stop loss will be somewhere very small. Okay, this can be our stop loss, those areas, and according to that, our target can be 1:1.5. Breakout itself is somewhere here till here, so we can easily expect this kind of targets, friends, somewhere here or the top. Okay, so this would be our position for Apollo Tires. One more interesting thing here, friends. If I remove all this, see, look at this area. Okay, in this area, it has gone ahead and attempted to go up once, twice. Okay, this was not exactly at this area, but there was an attempt to go up. Okay, thrice, fourth time, fifth time here. Okay, now sixth time after this particular breakout that we are talking about and a retest, it will go ahead and kick this area and go further up, is what we believe. So with these 2 or 3 reasons is what we are giving it for a buy, and we expect a target of close to 80, friends. 4480 can be our target. Okay, however, you will choose your target as per your risk to reward. If you are entering here, you can keep a stop loss somewhere here, and accordingly 1:1.5 is what we can choose as our target, friends. Coming to our sell stock for today, that would be BPCL. Similar reason is what I'm giving for BPCL, friends. Okay, see, this was an attempt to go down first time here, second time here, third time here, and finally it might go ahead and break this trend line and fall again. Okay, that's what we are expecting, and that is the reason this is chosen as a sell stock for the day. Okay, look at this. This trend line will be broken here, somewhere here tomorrow. Okay, once this is broken, we can clearly expect targets. This would be our first target with a stop loss of the day high, friends. Or we can see 3 highs here, 1, 2 and 3. So instead of selecting a big stop loss, we can go ahead and select this as our reasonable stop loss, followed by 1:1.5 target, friends. Okay, I hope you liked the video, and if you're looking forward for more content like this, do subscribe and also hit that bell icon so that you would not miss on any video that I am posting on the channel, friends. Anyways, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day, and wish you have a profitable expiry tomorrow.